Hi there, it's tarot time. Tuning into the collective energy and asking Spirit to bring through a message. This is a timeless reading, so know when you are seeing this, it's when it's intended for you. We have the Four of Pentacles. What is it that you're trying to protect at the moment? Someone is living in an energy of fear, or fear that something that they currently have they may not have forever. I do feel as though this is, it's kind of dampening your spirits at the moment, but it's also doing you a bit of a disservice because you're not able to move forward and to bring more things into your life. So as though perhaps it is that you are sort of trying not to spend any money, or you're trying, you're being really conservative around certain aspects of your life. And what Spirit wants you to consider here is, I suppose, what are those things that you're having difficulty sort of separating yourself from? Are they doing you a disservice? And is it time to let go of some things? Because only in that act of letting go, we're going to be able to bring new things in.